Hey y'all, it's Sunday. Let's get in this kitchen and make red beans and rice. All right, first we're going to start by using some red kidney beans. We are going to sort them thoroughly just to make sure there are no rocks or no broken beans. We're going to go through the whole bag just to make sure there's nothing in there that's not supposed to be. All right, next we're going to just rinse them to make sure that they're clean. These beans are fairly clean. We're just going to run a little bit of water over them and give them a good rinse. All right, so we are going to let these beans soak overnight. I'm just going to add some more fresh water and let them soak for a few hours. That way when we cook, it's not as long as a cook time. So here I am just straining the beans, and I'm going to rinse them one more time before I add them to my pot. All right, so I'm using my favorite Our Place pots, of course, adding the beans into the pot, and then I am going to add water. I'm going to fill the pot up maybe like an inch past where the beans are. I'm also going to use some chicken broth for a little bit of flavor, and I'll probably use half of this now and then probably the other half as needed. Going to cover that up and cook it on medium-high heat. Next, I have some sausage. I'm using linguiça. I know people may use andouille or other type of sausage, but I prefer linguiça. We doing it my way, y'all. So trust me on the process. This adds a lot of flavor. So I'm just going to chop these up and get to sauteing them. All right, so I'm using my Our Place sauteing pan and a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to saute the linguiça. So we're just going to add that in and let them brown on both sides. All right, so now that those sausage are nice and brown on both sides, I'm going to use about, I'd say maybe a cup, half a cup of celery. You can add as much or as little as you like. And I'm going to let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes so it can soften up before I add my other vegetables. All right, so next I'm going to add a half a cup of onion and a half a cup of bell pepper chopped. And I'm going to saute that as well. Just going to mix it around really well and saute this on, I'd say it's a medium-high heat as well for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, and lastly, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of garlic. I am turning the heat off and just gonna let that saute for about, I'd say a minute before I add it to the pot. All right, so you want to make sure you check your beans maybe every half an hour because I do have it on a high boil. I'm going to give that a good stir, and then I am going to add in my sausage and vegetables. And the total cook time for these beans, I think, is about 2 hours on medium-high heat, but you do want to just check it until your beans are fairly soft. And I'm going to give that a really good stir and just mix everything in there really, really well. And then I'm going to add in Cajun seasoning. You can use Old Bay or whatever Cajun seasoning you like to your preference. I'm not measuring. I'm just going to add a little bit and let it cook, and then I'll taste it, give it a good stir. I'm also going to add in 4 bay leaves. And I am also going to add in some garlic powder and some onion powder. You can add as much or as little as you like. It is totally up to you. And lastly, I'm going to add in maybe a few tablespoons of fresh parsley and give that a good stir. And I'm going to cover my pot and let it do its thing. All right, so I am checking every half an hour and stirring, and it's still at a good boil. This is what it's reduced down to. So you can also, when you stir, you can kind of smash your beans against the pot. I think it gives it a good texture when they're all not whole. And make sure you taste. You can taste to see if you need to add more seasonings and so forth. And here we have everything is cooked down. It's thickened. I am going to add in about 3 tablespoons of butter. It just gives it more flavor, more richness. I'm going to stir that in, and it is ready to serve over some rice. And this is some good eating on a Sunday. I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know if you like it, if you did anything different. But yeah, this was so good. I really thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. All right, y'all. Until next time. Bye.